Well, I think it's about time we tested out these new gears and see what is the difference between a Highway 280 and a 355 gear. I mean, is it really all that much different? We're about to find out. Well, it definitely pulls a lot harder, and it spins them way faster too. Actually getting sideways, and this is an open diff still. This ain't a true track or a limited slip. It's an open diff, and it's, you know. Well, let's try it again. So, that made all the difference in the world. This car is actually somebody now. I mean, it's not rotating the earth or anything, but you gotta think. This is a 289 small block Ford. It's got like 190 horsepower and 320 foot-pounds of torque. It's not anything special, but fine-tuning it, you know, we got the gears in the back, we got the initial timing up farther, and that gives you a lot more snap right at the beginning, which, by the way, a lot of people have been saying that, oh, when it's hot you're not going to be able to start it like that. Well, okay, did not touch the gas pedal at all. 170 degrees, 18 degrees before top dead center, initial. Starts right up, without gas pedal. If I would have pumped that gas pedal, would have been immediate. No, it's not going to be hard to start. So right now, you got the timing, 18 degrees initial, 32 34 degrees total. You know, it comes in around 2600 RPM ish. We got the 355 gears in the back, 289, 190 horsepower, 3,000 pound car. It's not bad. It's not bad for what it is. Alright, catch you next time.